Welcome to Ms. Judy's community.
No vitamin or mineral works alone. So that's why it's important for you to know that Purely-Zinc Plus with Styrian Austrian pumpkin seed powder is the only zinc whole food supplement available. Rich in ionic zinc, it is also an excellent source of magnesium, manganese, copper, iron, and more, in addition to being a dense source of B vitamins. Here at North American Herb & Spice, we created a formula that makes it easy to take your daily zinc in a delicious way. Join our National Educator as he demonstrates one way to make a creamy and rich smoothie.
Hi guys, this is Steve Harkins here, your National Educator at North American Herb & Spice. And today we're going to make a tasty, delicious, creamy and nutritious Purely-Zinc shake with the ingredients right here. So let's get started. Now we're going to start with some milked walnuts. Walnut milk is very good, nutritious, excellent source of omega-3s, which the body needs, excellent for the brain. We're going to do about 16 ounces here. Pour that out. Next up, we want to put our frozen ingredient, which we're going to do some strawberries today. Strawberries are incredible for so many things. Good source of vitamin C. I'm not going to use all of these, but I will use most of them. There we go. All right. Now, let's do our number one ingredient, which is a Purely-Zinc powder. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this. One excellent thing about it is zinc, which we know is critical for the immune system. And it's one of those just wonderful things you can get from food. We're using Austrian pumpkin seed powder here, as well as the other ingredients are rice bran, which are getting your full vitamin B complex, and camu berry for vitamin C whole food support. Now, what I did not tell you is that I'm going to do about 2 tablespoons here. Just kind of eyeball it. 2 tablespoons per 16 ounces. So we've got that. Now, the 7 minerals you're dealing with besides zinc is going to be magnesium, iron, potassium, manganese. What else do we have? We have the copper as well. And this is amazing because it's 12 grams of protein per serving that I'm also getting with this, and 3 grams of fiber. So think about it, you're getting 7 minerals, you're getting 12 grams of protein, you're getting 3 grams of fiber, you're getting your vitamin B complex, that's the entire vitamin B set, and you're getting your vitamin C from whole foods. What else more could you ask for? So we're going to finish it off with the lovely banana. We're going to get some extra B vitamins and potassium from this banana. Put it up in here. Very good. And a little bit of Ceylon cinnamon, which is excellent for the blood pressure. Excuse me, it's excellent for supporting the blood sugar, and it's also going to help with the inflammation response. So this is a complete nutritious meal for the body right here. Great for your breakfast, and great cold drink for your late summer, fall kind of deal, or any time on the go. So we've got it kind of mixed up. Now let's get this blended and shaken up. Here we go. And that's it. That's all there is to it. I'm gonna pour this out. This just covers so many bases. So many people are deficient in nutrition, like minerals coming from whole foods, B vitamins, And zinc, let us not forget, the importance of zinc cannot be understated. Not only does it support the immune system, it also helps with the DNA of your cells, and it helps with the health of all cells. So let's give it a drink to zinc. This has been Steve Harkins, National Educator, signing off. Get yourself a bag, do yourself a favor, and eat to live.
Get your zinc the way your body was made to use it. Turn ordinary smoothies and shakes into a healthy and nutritious meal. You will never regret taking care of your body and your needs.
If you have a specific topic that you'd like to contact Ms. Judy about, here's the address: social@p-73.com. That's social@p-73.com.